Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a kitchen table and a bench that we're going to redo in a country style. So follow along, subscribe as we change this piece into something pretty cool. Alright, start with, we're in Phoenix here, it's nice and hot out, so I've got my water here. I've also got a 100 grit sandpaper that we're going to use with our sander. We've got our dust mask and a shop vac in the background here. So step one is to start sanding this all down. My favorite step. So, no way to get around it, let's begin. Alright, it has been sanded, wiped down, and it's ready for its new stain, which is going to be a mini wax dark walnut, but I've also added a slight touch of ebony stain to it to kind of match this black that's going to show through the white that we're going to paint the base here to give it a nice match. So, pretty easy, straightforward. Get yourself a bowling sock, I guess today's going to be the choice. Why do we even have bowling socks? But we do. So we're going to use it. We apply it, nice smooth pattern straight across and back, all the way across. We'll do the bench and we'll get this project done. Alright, so we're going to let the stain dry. Tomorrow we'll put a weather sealant and a wax over the top of it, and we'll start working on painting the legs. And we'll get one step closer to finishing this table up. So far we're about 2 hours in. Alright, with the top dried, we can start painting the base. We got our white, and we're just going to go around it. Okay, so we're going to start on our table legs. I thought I'd take a second and kind of show you how I paint the legs and how fast that seems to go for me. We're going to start like this, work our way down, flip it, and then finish off. I leave my hardware on it, and then when it gets close, I just pull it down, hold off the hardware so it doesn't get all painted on. And we'll start on this one. We'll do 4 of them twice, and then we'll do the table. Alright, just when you think you're done, you grab the sandpaper again and you start sanding. So we're going to do a light scuff on this. We did 2 coats and just a light scuff. I'm going to use 120 here. Going real light, just the corner of the edges, just kind of give it a nice worn in look, and then we can wax it, seal it, and we're ready to go. here it is completed. Sanded down top, restained to a dark walnut, white base scuffed up, give it this nice country look. If you like this and many of our other projects, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll keep pumping out more of these.